Ended up with 2 exhaust pipes from Amazon, Walker brand, because they messed up the shipment. And since I have both, I'm going to return the one I don't use, but I had to take the hanger off, so just a sawzall on that, no big deal, because it wouldn't work with the Wrangler in that position, in that spot. And this was $5.97. This is a exhaust tube expander from Harbor Freight, and this was like the last one. They had a couple of different stores. Boy, did I pick the wrong day to do this crap. Anyway, I got the muffler off. Sounds better already. Everyone knows what it sounds like with the muffler. This is with the muffler from the rear clamp off. Would help if I had this thing up on a jack stand, but I'm trying to do this quick. I'm going to position this other muffler to see if I can make it work. I want to make sure I got all my screws and everything out of here. It's about 15 degrees with the wind chill, maybe 20 without. All right. So I'll see if I can do this. See how this will work. Okay, so that would have to go there. Can I make it work with this clamp? Okay, no matter what, I can make this work, but the clamp's in the wrong position. This thing's slightly rotated, and with the right clamp, I think I'd be in business. Cold start.